Hi everyone. Today we're doing something special. Throughout December, I've shared powerful phrases every Wednesday. Small reminders to help you stay focused, grounded, and moving forward. And today we're bringing them all together. Recap of all phrases. Here are the phrases we've explored so far. From earlier this month, motivation is the fuel of progress. Consistency beats intensity. Celebrate small wins. Then we added small steps every day. Habit builds discipline. Morning practice sets the tone. And later, mistakes are part of the process. Progress over perfection. You're not behind, you're on your path. Now let's add 3 more. Listen for meaning, not perfection. Speak even if it's not perfect. Confidence grows with use. And finally, a fresh start brings new energy. Goals give direction. Motivation grows when shared. Now it's your turn. You've seen all these phrases from this month, and each one carries a message, a reminder, a push. Here's the challenge. Choose one phrase that speaks to you the most right now. Just one. And tell me in the comments why it matters to you or how you want to apply it in your English journey or your personal life. This is your moment to take these words and make them yours. If you want more guidance, more tools, and more motivation for your English journey, explore the channel, subscribe, hit the like button, and stay with me as we grow together. See you in the next video, and I can't wait to read your phrase.